Okay, I just want to do a quick overview on mapping. So firstly, I need to log into my eDofE. You probably want to do this on a computer. It doesn't work well on an iPad. If I go into resources and then just below there, mapping. Okay, and then if I scroll down a little bit lower, I can create a new map. So I will just call this group 1 day 1. And then I might call that GHS to Bentley Cops. And then I'm just going to create that as a new route as my last one. Okay, create new map. And then, yes, I do want to create a new map and I do want it to open a new window. Okay, it should then open up this OS maps thing. So if I zoom in, if I zoom back out again, I need to kind of find the beginning. So I'm in Leeds at the moment, so maybe we'll head further south. Okay, if I zoom into Guildford over here, that's kind of our starting point. So what I'd start by doing is this plot button up here. Just going to click that. Okay, and then once I've done that, I can just click where I want it to be. You know, and you can use the grid references that were kind of sent out to you. So, you know, if we're here, I'm just going to start here, and I'll just say if my route was down this way, fine, yada yada yada, and so on. And I can make my route really easily, just like that. You know, and just use the grid references that you've been given already. Okay, once I'm happy with that, I want to click save. Okay, so save it, so that's now a saved route. So 3 things I want you to do. So if I click print up here, okay, and then over on this side, I should have map and route card. Firstly, you know, you want to print out the map. Maybe just do it in A4 because that'll keep the sizes better. So it's now requesting map. Okay, and now you can print that. So you need a copy of that each for your team. It might take up 2 pages of printing. A copy of that each for your team, 1 copy for your assessor and 1 copy for GHS staff. Then route card only, route card only, that one there. And then preview and print again. And again, that should give you a slightly different outcome. So it should have a pre-generated route card like the one that you had for your practice one. So it's really easy. It's much easier than what you did in bronze. Okay, the next thing that's quite important, girls, is to export that as a GPX, and that basically means that I can upload it onto the trackers and things like that. So if I click that, okay, it should come up at the bottom of my screen down there. So it's down there. I'm going to right-click that. And then I'm going to say show in folder, okay, and then you should have a GPX file up there, okay. What I need you to do is then you then need to email me that GPX file for each day, okay. So you'll need to make a separate route for each day, and you need to email those over to me once it's done, okay. Thank you very much.